Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Farutech. Lots of users were asking for OxygenOS Dialer for their Oneplus devices which didn't have pre-installed OxygenOS Dialer. Last time we provided a root method to use fully functional OxygenOS Dialer and messaging application. We'll find its link in the video description and in iCard. But developers found an amazing way to enable temporary root without unlocking the bootloader on any Qualcomm chipset devices. So we can now use the fully functional OxygenOS Dialer and messaging application without permanent root. Today in this video, we are going to take the preview of this dialer, its working features, and the most importantly, how to enable this temporary root without breaking the play integrity on your device. We'll also cover the precautions to be taken after enabling this mod and how to remove it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. Once you install this mod, you will get the fully functional OxygenOS Dialer, which has working call recording, live alert notification support for ongoing calls, call block and filter, AI call summary, and live transcription features. All of these functions are working properly. You will also get the Oneplus messaging application with this mod. So let's check out the requirements and how to use this method. This method currently only works for OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16. I personally tested it on OnePlus 12R and 13R and it's working on them. Only OnePlus 11R failed to use this mod. You need a Windows PC with the ADB and fastboot driver setup to use this method. Or if you know about the bug checker method, you can follow the same commands without using a PC. First of all, you need to enable the developer option. For that, go to the About device, then under the version section, tap 8 times on the build number. This will enable the developers option. Swipe back and under the system and the update option, you will find the developer option. Open it and search for OEM unlock option, toggle it on and also enable the USB debugging toggle. Now connect your device to PC, open CMD window in the C drive by typing CMD in the address bar. Always open the CMD in the folder where your platform tools and the commands are working properly. Now type ADB devices and press enter key. On your device you will get the prompt, checkmark the box and allow access. Once your device ID is shown in the CMD, type next command ADB reboot bootloader. You will see your device boots to bootloader mode screen, where you can check that the device bootloader is in the lock condition. You don't have to unlock it. Just type the next command. I have given this lengthy command in the video description. From there, you can copy paste it into the CMD and press enter key. Once this command is successful, type fastboot continue. Your device will boot back to normal mode. Now go to the Play Store and in your account section under the Play Protect, disable the scan application option. Or you can just temporarily pause this option for installation of the next application. Now download these three files. First one is Agnes2 kernel APK, next is AI call assistant APK and OxygenOS Dialer module zip file. First install the Agnes2 APK file. Once the application is installed, open the application. In this application you will get the jailbreak option. Just tap on it and now the new temporary Agnes2 root is active on your device. Next, tap on the module section. Here tap on this icon and select the contact module file. Then tap on the install. While installation of this module, you will get the prompt requiring the meta module. Just select the OK. Once the module installation is done, don't reboot your device. Just swipe back in the application. On the home page at the top right side, you will see the power button icon. Tap on it and then select the soft reboot. The device will reboot and now in the app drawer, you will find the OxygenOS Dialer, contact application and messaging application. Now go to the application and in the default application settings, set the phone application as OnePlus contacts and the messaging application as OnePlus messaging application. Now you can use the dialer, but to enable the AI call transcript and the summary features, install the AI call assistant APK. Now AI transcription and the call summary will work in your new OxygenOS Dialer. Next you have to do very important step. Go to the software update section. From the three dot menu, select auto update. and here disable the auto download and select don't allow. Also disable the auto update overnight option. Strict warning for all users: if you get any kind of OTA update, don't install it after applying this mod. Never reboot your device, otherwise this temporary root will be disabled and you will have to follow all the steps we shown earlier to make it work again. Later, you can disable the OEM unlock toggle, but don't disable the developer option if it's causing the issues while using the banking application. I have another video link in the description on how to hide developer option. If you want to disable this mod at any time, connect your device to PC again, open CMD, boot your device to fast boot mode. Now copy paste this revert command and press the enter key. Next type fast boot continue and your device will boot normally like before. Now your mod is disabled and all application will be removed from the app drawer. Next go to the setting and set the Google and the messaging application as default application. The Agnes APK will remain in the app drawer. You can uninstall it if you want. After removing this mod, later you can update your device to any version if you get any OT update. This temporary root will not break any banking applications. I tried several applications like Access Mobile, SDFC, PhonePe and many more. Only some applications like SBI Bank will detect that developer options are enabled. To bypass this issue, you can follow this video tutorial. It's super easy to bypass this issue. But I can't guarantee that all the banking applications for all the regions may work with this mod. If you get any issues, you can disable the mod as you shown earlier and all applications will work again. So finally, we have working OxygenOS Dialer and the messaging application on any Oxygen 16 device without the need for permanent root. But you have to follow some precautions like never reboot your device and not installing any OT update while using this mod. Most of banking applications are working, but it may cause issue for some applications. Not all OnePlus devices will able to run this like OnePlus 11R, and only Oxygen 16 is compatible with this process. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OxygenOS and OnePlus. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.